Ma'am Ana Hisen, shout out sa'yo. Missing Kids Vlog, shout out. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kaibigan ko. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat dyan, Ma'am Ana Hisen. Magbaba lang po kayo ng bahay dyan. Shout out po sa inyo lahat. Sa gusto pong umakyat po, bababa tayo ng bahay, ng hagdanan. Ayan, may jacket ka na po, Ma'am Ana Hisen. Shout out po, Ma'am. Missing Kids. Kanta na, host. Sunod na tayo magkanta, ano, Ma'am Missing Kids. Shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Ana Hisen, ha. Shout out sa iyo. Maraming salamat po sa iyong pagpasok sa aking live. Magbaba ka lang po ng bahay mo dyan, ha, para madikit ang po natin dyan. BG Parikoy, nag-edit. Ay, ikaw pala yan. Ikaw pala yan. Maraming salamat. Ma'am Therese, Maring Teresa, shout out sa iyo. Ikaw pala yan, Maring Teresa. Kala ko kung sino. Para, ayun o. Maraming salamat. Inday Tris, DPB Chip, Channel, Chip. DPB Channel. Inday, shout out sa iyo dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kaibigan, sa inyong support lagi sa aking live. Pasensya na kayo na-disturbo ko kayo. Ang Ana Hisen, na-pick mo ako, akala ko bagong pasok sa live ko. Ikaw pala yan. Karating ko nga lang eh, madali lang ako bihis. Hindi talaga makapag, na ngayon, pag YT ng maayos kasi, busy na talaga sa work. Paring sarang, shout out pare. Maraming salamat sa inyo laging support sa aking live. Thank you. Paring sarang, maraming salamat paring sarang ha. Kain muna tayo mga kaibigan ng tinapay. Hindi, Jo. Hindi, Jo? Pwede kong na ba? Maraming salamat tayo, Inday Jo. Shout out sa iyo, Inday Jo. Maraming salamat sa pagpasok sa akin, Inday. Nagutom si Dodong Ricky. Ambal, shout out sa iyo. RGP Bikers Nationwide, shout out sa iyo dyan, Kambal. Shout out po sa 3 million dyan. Paring Rams. Kaya na tinapay. $4 million, maraming salamat. Sa gusto pong umakit dyan ha, may dagdagan po tayo dyan. Tayo kakanta ng mga awiting hindi natin alam. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga kaibigan ko dyan, sa inyong walang sawang support sa aking live. Sino suwi ng lonesome? Si Christ in my side to stop in the good times. is down in the back. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But then she doesn't know about you. Kambal, I can tell her my trouble. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her up high. We can talk of tomorrow. I still hear things that I want to do. But then, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Pare mula nun, saka pare. Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Hindi, joke ko. Meros Manabat, DJ Heart, ayun, shout out sa iyo, Meros Manabat. Ayun, may moderator ka na po. Bumaba ka lang ng bahay mo dyan, ha? Maraming salamat, Idol DJ Heart, sa iyong pasugod. Andito naman sa Idol DJ Heart, pasugod naman. Thank you very much, Idol DJ Heart. How can I see it? Joy Kabatingan, shout out sa iyo. Every single night and day. Maraming salamat, Idol DJ Heart. But when easy to see, thinking someone hurt you again. Help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Idol George, thank you very much. Girl, please tell me what to do. Every time seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Ma'am Norma Sanuman, maraming salamat. Thank you, Idol Lagard. Maraming salamat talaga. ENB channel, thank you very much. Maraming salamat, Idol Lagard. Hulugan ng langit para sa akin. Ma'am Ninya, Claire, Teresa, shout out sa iyo. Maraming salamat, Idol Lagard talaga. Thank you very much, Idol Lagard. Kanta lang ko ng sintonado para lang magaway. Ma'am Ninya, shout out sa iyo, ah. Maraming salamat sa pasugod, Idol DJ Heart. Isa ka talagang alamat. Celeste Mix TV, maraming salamat. I've got to take a little time to think things over. I need to read between the lines. In case I need it when I'm older. Prince Martas, maraming salamat. Now this mountain I must climb, it's like a war upon my shoulder. Through the cloud I see love the sun, his farmer's life unfolded. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. On top now, I've traveled so far since this lonely life. I want to know what love is. I want you to show me. I want to feel what love is. I know you can show me. Maraming salamat sa pasagod, Idol Ligyard. Maraming salamat, ha. I'm gonna take a little time. G-Vlog, Santana, maraming salamat. A little time to look around me. I've got nowhere left to hide. It's like love has finally found me. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if we'll face it again. Can't stop now, I've traveled so far, but in this lonely night, I want to know what love is. Want to show me. Maraming salamat sa pagod, Idol Ligyard. I want to feel what love is. I know you can show me. I want to know what love is. Want to show me. Maraming salamat, Ronaldo Porti. Maraming salamat, Idol Ligyard, sa pagod. You can show me. Thank you very much, Idol Ligyard. Maraming salamat talaga, Idol, ha. Sa iyong pasugod, maraming salamat talaga. Sa kang alamat. Hoy, ano lang, libang-libang lang ba? Libang-libang. Daming pasugod ni Idol Ligyard, ah. Bilib na talaga ako sa iyo, Idol Ligyard. Anahisin. You know our love was meant to be the kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me. Thank you very much, Toro Evangelio. From tonight until the end of time, you should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you are me in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me? I wanna have you near me singing. No one needs you more than I need you. And I know, yes I know, it's plain to see. Oh, in love when we're together. Now I know that I need you. From tonight until the end of time, you should know. Everywhere I go, always on my mind. You're in my heart, in my soul. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me? Wanna have you near me singing? No one needs you. Otjas Vlog, shout out sa iyo, Mamot Just Vlog. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyong pagbisita sa aking live, ha. Sinsya ka na, wala tayong kasama dito, ako lang. Maraming salamat talaga sa iyo. Wala akong magawa kasi nag-ano lang ko. Jinx Dolores Art, DJ Art. Ayan, maraming salamat talaga, Idol DJ Art, ha, sa iyong pag-ano. Enters without pride, can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, cause I'm playing a fool. When I'm in love, it will be forbidden. I'll give you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, babe, it's true. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. Tin, shout out, idol. If I ever lose your eye, baby, I'm dying for your love. If I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love as I see. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, girl, it's true. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. Hamutis live, shout out sa'yo. Ma'am Jeanette, may jacket ka na po. Shout out sa inyo naman. Shout out sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Parang hindi na tuloy ako marunong kumanta. Sige, magkanta naman tayo ng Tagalog. Maraming salamat sa patama sa kaharang dyan na Ma'am Mutchis Vlog at saka si Ma'am Mutchis. Baga magkilala kayo pa Ilonggo rin dyan, si Ma'am Mutchis. Ako sa kuman mo at saka si Ma'am Mutchis. Di maamin ng damdamin na ngayon'y wala ka na sa aking piling. Balang araw, ang dalangin ay mayakap kang muli at maangkin. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Ba't ito na nasaktan kita ng labis? May gabihin sa iyo. At sinabi ko sa iyo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ng isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Ngunit-muling sasambahin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, o giliw ko. Alaala, pagkasama, mga sandaling dati anong saya. Pinipilit, mayong gabi sa'yo, Mamut si Story, nalimutin. Bakit di maamin na wala ka na? Kamtin, ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng labis? At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Ngunit-muling sasambahin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, o giliw ko. Maraming salamat sa mga palakpak dyan, mga kaibigan. Damang-dama ng puso ko, hirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, napapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambahin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, ginaw ko. Ang taas, hirap. Maraming salamat sa palakpak. Ang Mortis Life Story, Inday Jo, set up, Idol Tin, maraming salamat sa itan. Wala lang kasi magawa, kaya nag-update tayo. Kahit karating lang sa trabaho, mag-whitey-whitey lang. Ito yung libangan. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan, ha. Kahit mataas, bahala na, kahit intonado. Nagmamahal kahit bawal siya. Sige, sunod. At ito mo na. Bakit nagmahal ka na ba ng bawal, Mamotsis? Ako nagmahal ako, kaso pangit pala pag, bawal. Gandeng gal. Alive at 7, the place feels good. No time to call you today. Of course, the 11 in tiny sport. Back to the hotel again. Gusto ko lang, sige. Gusto ko rin yung kaso. Gusto ko rin sana yung kanta na yun, eh. I call your number, the line is free. I like to tell you, come to me. At night without you seems like a lost dream. Love, I can't tell you how I feel. Always somewhere is you where I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Nagwawala ko ng bawal, kaso pangit pala. Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Mahirap magmahal ang bawal, Mamotsis. Another morning, another day. The only day is far away. But every city sends me in day and brings me to you again. Always somewhere is you where I've been. back to love you again. Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Boss Indian ni shoutout. Asli ko naman shoutout. Maraming salamat Asli ko naman Boss Indian ni. Thank you very much. Maring Lovely, shoutout po. At po. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kaibigan ko. Team Solid, spread love. Shoutout sa inyo lahat yan. Idol team, shoutout. May hagdanan po tayo dyan bago gusto nyo makiat yan. Ayun malapit na mo isang oras, kalahati pa lang pa. Ba't pag ako mag-live ang tagal-tagal? Ay, teka lang pala, yung may request pa si Motis. Motis, nagmamahal daw kahit bawal. Nahirap yun magmahal ng bawal, naranasan ko na yan. Kaya advice ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magmahal ng bawal, yung legal. 5 million shout out. Salamat sa inyo lihat. Minit ko iwasan ka dahil ako'y may asawa na at isang bigla na labing minahal ko ng tapat at hindi magbabago kailan pa man. Ngunit habang tumatagal ang isawa na sa akin lalo ang napamahal ang puso ko nalilito dahil sa nararamdaman. Ano ang aking gagawin na malimot ka? Idol din. Nagmamahal ako sa'yo, nagmamahal kahit ito'y bawal. Pinilit ko limutin ka, ngunit di ko maiwasan na mahulog ang puso ko sa kanya. Tulungan mo naman ako kung paano makalimot at paano ko ay sa tabi itong nararamdaman. Nababaliw na nga ba ako sa'yo? Dahil habang tumatagal sa akin lalo pang napamahal ang puso ko nalilito dahil sa nararamdaman. Ano ang aking gagawin na malimot ka? Nagmamahal ako sa'yo, nagmamahal kahit ito'y bawal. Pinilit ko limutin ka, ngunit di ko maiwasan na mahulog ang puso ko sa iyong sintahan. Ay no, maraming salamat. Mamot sis, ayun na ang may request mo, ayun na. Request ko pa dyan para kaya natin kantayin. Ang kaya natin ng tayo na para nawin this mo. Thanks, Sir Ricky. Wala ka naman po. Pasensya ka na sa boses ko. Ano yung scene? Shut up. Just when you think you're way back home, I found some time to be alone. I hope to see the place once more. Yes, unlike 1,000 nights before, I climb the stairs again this night, 'cause the place is still alive, when the smoke is going down. When the smoke is going down. This is the place where I belong. I really long to turn you on. I got your song there in my dream. While your pieces disappear, I climb the stairs again this night, 'cause the place is still alive, when the smoke is going down. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat dyan na nakabibili dyan.
شاهد فيديوهات التمارين الرياضية بلا إعلانات وتمرن بدون انقطاع. زر اشتراك الطلاب.
Malapit na mag-isang oras mga kaibigan. There's a star in the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart. And in this world, we're all alone tonight, so close and yet so far. My heart would never lie, I can feel you want me to. Sige ma'am, idol din sa kapatid. And if the stars should fall, then baby, here's what we should do. Well, take me by the hand and wait. Hold your breath and we may find it might come true on a starry, starry night. Pariran sa to. When Look into my eyes and wish it's a for the breath. It's there for me and you, and we might fall in love. There's a heart all around us now. I can feel it eternity. There's a spell all around us now, like a wave of a mystery. I never feel like this, never been so close to you. And if the stars should fall, then maybe we might fall too. When take me by the hand and wait, hold your breath and we may find it might come true on a starry, starry night. Wait, look into my eyes and wish it's out for the dream. It's there for me and you, and we might fall in love. Oh, wait, take me by the hand and wait, hold your breath and we may find it might come true on a starry, starry night. Please look into my eyes and wait. It's a put a cliff, it's there for me and you, and we might fall in love. Ayun no. 3 million, shoutout sa inyo dyan, sa 3 million dyan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo talaga. Sa mga nag-stay dyan, thank you very much sa inyo talaga. Kaibigan kong maganda, thank you very much sa inyo. Ang gwapo at maganda kong kaibigan na nag-stay dyan. You, that's my life. With the softness in the night, my wish was your command. Until you run out of love, till myself I'm free. Not a chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home. Now that you're gone, night looks like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded night. Looks like a night. You got away the heart of my life. When I pretend, where's my fool? I to fool my dearest friend. I wonder if you know it's just as young. I'm on a stage, day and night. I float through my terrain. But how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Night, looks like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night, looks like a night. Migo rin, set up, Migo. You got away the heart of my life. Now all, oh, 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 I'm trying to try. Look at the pain of your inside. The pain of watching you. Night, that's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night, that's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night. That away the heart of my life. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dyan mga kaibigan ko, sa mga nag-stay po dyan mga kaibigan ko. Thank you very much sa inyo lahat ha. Malapit na ako mag-end mga kaibigan, 7 minutes, mag-end rin ako. Ito songs. Miss Reflection, thank you ma'am. Miss Wing Channel, Guapa, thank you very much. If my love wasn't there with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love him Sylvia, I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Ang medyo could I want to hold you in my arms tonight. I could be intense, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe wait to meet again some other time. 'Cause tonight I'll only share my love with you. So please understand our situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in the places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Ano sa Migo? Sa Tambay Migo, thank you very much. Malapit na ako mag-end. So please understand my situation. Parang sarang sa top. I love you, but I can't be with you. If I could be in the places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Explain ka pa to. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Yan, mga kaibigan, thank you very much. Alas na lang po. Sige, Mois, maraming salamat. Mag-end rin ako. Isa na lang. Pasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Yan. Salamat sa Panginoon kasi binigyan mo tayo ng lakas. Yan. Lagi-lagi. Lagi po tayo magpasalamat sa Panginoon mga kaibigan. Kahit naman po yung matanggap natin ng mga blessings, kailangan pa rin po. Salamat tayo. Malit ng mga natin. Puti-puti mo, Panginoon, sa lahat ng oras. Sa bawat araw, ika'y laging tapat kong magmahal. Ang iyong kaawa ay magpawalang hanggan. Pinupuri, sinasamba kita, dakilang Diyos at Panginoon. Tunay ngang ika'y walang katulad, tunay ngang ika'y di magbabago. Mabuti ang Diyos, nasa atin nagmamahal. Buti-buti mo, Panginoon. Asli ka na, ma'am. Busing sa lahat ng oras, sa bawat araw, ika'y laging tapat kong magmahal. Ang iyong kawa ay magpawalang hanggan. Pinupuri, sinasamba kita, dakilang Diyos at Panginoon. Tunay ngang ika'y walang katulad, tunay ngang ika'y di magbabago. Mabuti ang Diyos, nasa atin nagmamahal. Pinupuri, sinasamba kita, dakilang Diyos at Panginoon. Tunay ngang ika'y walang katulad, tunay ngang ika'y di magbabago. Mabuti ang Diyos, nasa atin nagmamahal. Mabuti ang Diyos, nasa atin nagmamahal. Yes, Lord. Thank you very much, Panginoong Diyos. Maraming salamat sa mga blessings na binigay mo sa akin. Thank you. Ayan mga kaibigan, magpaalam na po ako sa inyo mga kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa mga nag-stay po sa aking mahal na kaibigan dyan. Maraming salamat po. Kahit saan man kayo naroon, mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Lagi niyo tandaan, alagaan ang sarili dahil yan po ang ating kayamanan. Health is wealth. Ayan. Mga kaibigan, God bless po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye.